a lot of scams in the crypto space. And so I'm looking for crypto projects that have real world affiliation. I want passive income from real world assets. So no more of this ethereal. I'm not really into meme coins, things like that. But I love projects that connect blockchain with real life and solve real problems. So we're going to look at Lumia. So stay tuned on how you can make passive income from real world assets like gold, real estate, etc. Before we dive in, comment down below, what is your favorite real world asset to invest in? Do you like gold? Do you like real estate? Somebody messaged me yesterday about a pig farm. What is your RWA? That stands for real world asset of choice. Let me know in the comments down below. And hit like, the currency of YouTubers. So I have been out of most crypto projects. Again, I'm not interested in Ponzi. I'm not interested in crypto projects that aren't doing anything, that aren't solving any problems. So, I get pitched probably 15 different crypto projects a day, and there's maybe one or some days zero of them that I am actually interested in. But I do think Lumia could be interesting. So when I think of blockchain and I think of real world assets, I think there's three main benefits in bringing blockchain to physical assets. So the first is transparency. Okay, so the blockchain is an immutable ledger. It's out there. Everyone can see the flow of transactions. So let's use gold, for example. When you're trading gold between people, you have no way of telling where that gold bar has been, where it ends up. There's no transparency into the flow of that gold bar. But when you tokenize that gold and put it on the blockchain, now you can see the flow of funds. So that's a way to combat fraud. And a way, if you're paying out rewards or something like that, it's an easy way for transparency to see, hey, here's the total revenue we received and here's what we paid out. So also like the blockchain because of the security. So again, if you have a centralized database, let's say a standard MySQL database, that's what we use in the programming world. If that's centralized, that means someone can get into it, someone could hack in, someone from the team could be malicious and make changes to the database, but that doesn't happen on the blockchain. Now, the blockchain has its own security challenges. We need to make sure we have multi-sig, need to make sure there's good audits, that there aren't, honeypots and problems in the smart contract. But blockchain presents different security challenges. So the security challenges that traditional businesses have, blockchain solves those, but then it has its own security challenges. So maybe that one's a wash. But the main benefit that blockchain provides to real-world assets is liquidity. So it makes it easy to trade. For example, if right now I said, hey, go buy a block of gold, go buy a gold bar. Well, that's not going to be easy for you to do. You're going to have to find the gold. You're going to have to get the gold transported to you. You're going to have somewhere to store the gold. It can be easily stolen from you. And, if it's sitting in your house, a big block of gold. Whereas if you tokenize it, put it on the blockchain, I could transfer that easily. If I know my keys, there's no way for you to steal that gold from me. I can have access to it anywhere in the world. So very powerful. So Lumia is selling HyperNodes, which you're probably familiar with the node concept where you put some money up front. So right now it's $1,000 and then you get daily rewards paid out to you. So when you buy a node, Lumia is an L2. So that means it's a layer 2 blockchain. And if you're not familiar with layer 2, layer 1 blockchains, essentially there's blockchains. And then there's layer 2 blockchains that you can process transactions on, and then they kind of pool those transactions together and send them to the L1. But it's basically just a way to have more functionality on a blockchain while still using the underpinning technology of a particular blockchain. So you buy a node and you are participating in the blockchain functioning. You get rewards out, and you're also providing liquidity. So Lumia has kind of a unique liquidity structure where they blend all the liquidity from all the different centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges into kind of one big liquidity pool. But if you are interested in getting a Lumia node, the sales start on July 18th. The Lumia node sale is live, so I want to show you quickly how you can get that purchased. So I'm on node.lumia.org. And you're going to buy one HyperNode. You have to enter a referral code. So Pelton is my referral code if you want to use that. And it's 1,000 USD on Polygon. So I have that sitting in my wallet.
So I connect my wallet. I did have to use a VPN because this is no longer available in the US. So you have to, if you're in the US, you need to use a VPN. Then you just tick here to confirm you read the node purchase agreement, then click complete purchase. I confirmed in my Rabby wallet. There's a couple of confirmations here in your Rabby wallet you'll have to do. And it says purchase successful. So 2,753 nodes sold. The price will go up when they get to 7,247. Again, we're in crypto. This is risky stuff. Don't risk more than you can afford to lose. But that's how you go about purchasing a node.
But on July 18th, you'll be able to buy them. So it'll be $1,000. And we don't totally know what the token's going to do when it launches. But you'll start earning Lumia tokens, and then those you can either stake, put it as part of liquidity pool, or you can sell them and take your profit. So go check out their website, read the Git paper, go follow them on Twitter, hop into their Telegram. If you want to learn more about passive income or more ways to make money, I'm going to have a list of my top side hustles right now, so you can watch that video. Thank you, everybody. God bless you all. Have a great rest of your day.